What's up, y'all? And we back, baby. Just got out the shower. Got the pan heated up. About to drop some butter in it. Oh yeah, it's nice and hot. Some butter in there. I'm just about to make something to put on top of that rice from yesterday that I had leftovers. So we're gonna do this today. I'll grab me some mushrooms. And I like to, you know what? I'm just gonna bust it open. There we go. Put that right there. That ain't. Alrighty, here we go. I'm up in the mountains, up in Weed, on my way to Washington. There we go. Of course, need some salt and pepper. Onion powder, salt now, mix it around. We're gonna cover that and let that cook for about 20-30 minutes, and then I'm gonna peel some shrimp to put on it, put on top of that rice, and that's gonna be dinner tonight. It's gonna be something quick and simple. Well, holla. All right, y'all, I forgot one thing. My bacon bits. Yeah. It's one of them things, y'all. Doing something different for once. Doing something different, but yeah, y'all know this bacon is good. Put something here so it incorporates that butter flavor. That bacon flavor. This is how you cheat and don't have to cook real bacon, because I got some that's in the freezer. I forgot to take it out. My bad. Now let me mix that around, get some of that bacon flavor all through it. Last thing you want is a clump of bacon. It smells good though. Ain't gonna lie, it smells delicious, y'all. And now I'm about to peel these scrimps, and I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Alright, we back, y'all. Time to put the shrimp in. Got it peeled, cut into chunks. We're just gonna put it inside. In there we go. I got the rice heating up right now, right here. As y'all see right here. Oh, y'all don't see. Right here. Right here's the rice. Reheating the rice from last night, like I said. Just getting it nice and hot. I might have made too much shrimp though. But I might. You know what? I might put that over a baked potato tomorrow. That sounds like an idea. Have leftovers and just keep reconstituting it. toss this around real quick. Y'all can only smell it. Y'all want to smell it? Oh, don't that smell good? Yeah, it's been a long day. Forgive my goofiness. Hey, but I got a question. I know y'all hear me say it a lot, but how about them Cowboys, baby? We about to beat up on the shitty whiners, 49ers. I mean, yeah, there you go. That's the name, 49ers. That's my pop's team. Me and Janiyah had to talk some shit to him last night, though. He texted me talking about don't forget about him. Oh, we ain't forgot about you. We have not forgot about the Niners. They're a damn good team, I ain't gonna lie. But I ain't scared of you motherfuckers, like Bernie Mac said. I ain't scared of you motherfuckers. Never am, never will be. Never was. I believe in my squad, y'all. Put the lid over that. And y'all, we're gonna be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. Finishing this thing real quick. Got some heavy whipping cream. Put that in there. Of course, you gotta mix it. Oh no, I ain't losing no mushrooms. Davis is a trip. Watching this jail compilation, that shit is hilarious, y'all. If you don't know about Ha Davis, you better learn. Guard! That should be cracking me up. A little bit more cream. A little bit more of that. Mix that in again. Cover up with the right there. There we go. Okay. Now we're gonna let that heat up before I put the cheese in. And today we're using Italian style. It has mozzarella, provolone, white cheddar, and I go Romano cheese. We're gonna use that to thicken the sauce up a little bit more. So we're gonna let this get to temperature so I can actually put the cheese in because it cools off pretty easy in these. If you don't know, you know now. This would be good with some pasta, but I had some leftover rice, so I'm gonna do it that way. That's how we do it in chill. But hey, we'll be back. Alright, we back and we about to finish this shit. We got the Parmesan right here. Parmesan on top. That's all the Parmesan I'm gonna use. Now it's time to go to the Italian style. But this don't have Parmesan, so I gotta mix them a little different today. I hear people all the time talking about cheese and seafood don't go together. Shit. Watch me. And watch me make it delicious. Now it's time to mix it up. I know this is different putting it over rice. It's something I've never done, but hey, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be delicious. I like that. Put some cayenne in it. Give it some heat. There we go. Make sure it no sauce without cheese. That cheese thickened up that sauce real nice. Yeah. Ooh, that's so good. Oh, you got a plate down. Actually, I got two down in accident. My bad. Got up there for right now. And it falls. There we go. There we go. Leftovers in a truck. This is how I do my leftovers, y'all. Just reincorporate into a completely new dish. You gotta form that pocket in the middle. Form that pocket in the middle. Take this, put the fork right here, grab the spatula. Some out. Right in the middle. Right in the middle. Right in the middle. Right in the middle. Up this sauce by itself. Well, sauce of course will have some bacon or something. Yes, y'all, we did that. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, y'all. Yes. Y'all saw every step of it. If y'all missed how I did the rice, go back to the video yesterday. The video from yesterday will show you how I made the rice with my baby. I gotta edit the name of that video. I gotta incorporate my daughter into it too. She helped me cook yesterday, so my baby deserves some credit. You know what I mean? I'll put that right here. We unplug this. Cover it up. Put it on top of the freezer. Now we just got some Clorox wipes. Well, disinfectant wipes. Same shit. Except these actually work better because they scrub. I know y'all ain't trying to see me clean, but I don't want to put a plate up here that doesn't soggy up the plate. Okay, I got an empty bag right there. Okay. My soda. right here. That's why I'm just kind of wiping things to the edge. There we go. And now, you guys, that's the plate, y'all. That's the plate up. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean all this shit up too. This is my asparagus. I don't have room in my freezer for it in my fridge. As y'all know, I only had an hour to clean out my Martin truck, and I had to leave my fridge behind because I didn't have room in my car for it. So I got to buy another. I'm gonna buy another freezer, but you can set the temperature to where it's a freezer or a fridge. So, but money kind of funny right now, so we gotta do what we gotta do. But I'll holler at y'all. Truckers Life, Cowboys Nation, baby, and we out.